Good morning, class 3 students. So, in today's online class, we have discussed few more rules about the about singular and plural. What we have to careful about while making one to many and singular to plural. So first we'll have a quick revision of the last three rules which we have discussed in our previous class. That was, first rule was by adding s to the nouns like books, apples, and girls, stars, trees. So this was the first rule when we used to add s to the nouns for making them plurals or many. Now the second rule was to add es with the words that are ending with the alphabet or the sound ch, sh, o, x, x. One second. So when we are having these sounds and or the alphabets at the last, like s, h, c, h, o, x, z, double s, then what we have to do, we have to add es at the last of the word. Now the third rule was that we have to add ies while we are having y at the last of the word. But in this rule I also told you that we have to be careful that if the second last alphabet is a vowel, we will not drop y, we will simply s, like boy. You can see in this word before y there is o, which is a vowel. So we will not drop y here and we will only add s. While as if you are writing baby, the second last sound is of consonant sound, so we will drop y and add ies. Now few more rules have been given for changing singular to plurals. That is, when we will found f or fv, we replace the f or fv with ves, like leaf, leaves, wife, wives, knife, knives, etc. Now some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, you can see there is a deer. Deer is in singular and same it is written on in the plural form. We are making plural of deer. We can't write is a deers, dearies or anything else. Simply it will written deer. Now there are few singular nouns from their plural nouns by changing the inside vowel or vowels. So like you can see here, it is men, and when we used to make them plural, it will written men. Again there is a noun which is tooth, and when we used to write this tooth into plural form, we will write teeth, foot, feet, goose, geese. Some of the nouns has completely the other things like child, and the plural form will be children. So now I have started worksheet number 1. This is only for reading purpose. You can see on the left side of the page the nouns are in number 1. So it have been written one boy, one bird, one egg and one sheep. But in the right corner you can see the numbers have been increased. Now one has changed into many. So what we have to careful about, we have to careful that we will add s. So 3 boys, 5 birds, 7 eggs and 2 ships. So now turn page, next page. Here the points of remember which I have explained you, and I have given homework this page where the students have to only count the numbers of the noun and write the nouns in their plural form. So this is your homework, and those who are only watching the videos not attending the class, please you have to do this one. Now on the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2, and we have to do this worksheet by adding and remembering rule 2, that is adding es. So now the worksheet is here and it will be done like this, quite by bus, buses, Class, classes. Match, matches. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Church, churches. So you can see the things which I have earlier explained you, and one has changed into many by adding es. Now on the next page you can see there are two columns have been drawn on the page. That is, one column has word with a consonant before y and words with a vowel before y. The next column, now you can see there are several words written in the help box also. Now this is the time to remember the rule 3, which I have explained you earlier, and then we will keep remembering, keeping that rule in mind, we will keep the words in their proper places. So words with a consonant before y, and the words are baby, family, fairy. And the next column, which is words with a vowel before y, key, monkey, and day. Again the rule is written, and we have already discussed a lot about the rule, so we'll not waste our time, and this one should be done by remembering the third rule, which is dropping y with ies, replacing y and adding ies. So it is written like trophies, bodies, stories, cities, stories, stray, days, and families. Fairies, countries, boys, and donkeys. You can see there are several words like tray, day, boys, and donkeys. Here the y have been not dropped just because the alphabet before y is a vowel, so the form have been not changed. So today we have done only till now in this today's class. We will see or do more in our next class. So try to join the class on tomorrow.